hun riushit niam jengki Hindu kepala yalam komando Swami Abimuktish Anan Saraswati harangkat berkirikot jengu kila temu banwan ban penlong ya karali hakabayade bat kejing yalam ban khang no hakaban bam ya kedok masi bat ban penlong no rushis dan ya kemasi da mother of nation lane ka kemi jengka ri India handai kala Pulom no da kebakila temu ban wan here da lingsuin hapo umroi airport nin kesi gar punyo trik nailur ajar pesau handai loong bakim shim lanut chu banwan hadin bakaseng HYC Hito bat KSU kila hiar wood agate ke karling sun ban khang persa ya ke jing temu jengki ban penlong ya kata karali bat susu uwei na kinong yalam jengki seng balang iba senrem presiden ke HYC ila kentu ru ya paro ban ya trailang bat ban pat kendria na kate ke caka nomor ke kenhun jung Swami kin sawan biang menta kesngi karufra nailu raja pesau hapo jeng kecela ban temu ban pendep ya kate karali ke ban salong haka artere kurisau ajar pusau Henry Keseng Hito HYC bat KSU kilayeng betrang bat Iala ya kate riushit niam ban penklumar ya kesongsuk songsang hapo jong kecela bat kilemaham bat dawaru ya kepor sorkar jong kecela bakimde ban sya dalilei ruem ya kekenhun Swami ban wan yuk kejat hapo jong kecela mikalaya bat ban penlong ya kate karali
Hito kayeng Hito kayeng Nông đi ông Trung Masi, go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Nông đi ông Trung Masi, go back! Go back! Go back!
We have received information that there is a likelihood of some elements trying to land tomorrow in Umroi airport and also taking a rally in the name of protecting the cow and also for ensuring that cow slaughter is banned in the country. They have not taken any permission for any rally. They have not taken any permission for staging any sort of protest. But we have just received that there's a possibility of a chartered flight landing tomorrow in Umroi. We have assessed the situation all around both Bynriew district after consulting the Deputy Commissioner as well as consulting the district authorities of Shillong. Shillong in East Khasi's section 144, which is now section 163 of the BNSS, has already been promulgated, prohibiting any sort of rally and meetings. And likewise, Bynriew district is also following on the same pattern. And to ensure that there is no escalation of law and order in the state, as well as in the district of Bynriew district, as well as East Khasi's, we have decided that we will write from the government to the airport authority to deny them landing facilities for the flight tomorrow. So that is the decision we have taken into consideration, and we have had consultation also with the Central Puja Committee. They have stated very unequivocally that 2nd of October is a very important day in the Puja celebrations. It's the starting of their festivity, and they don't subscribe at all as local stakeholders over here to what this rally is all about, and they have not rendered any support at all. They're not aware of any rally that is likely to take place, and after applying our minds collectively, we have decided that we will write to the airport authority to deny land.
People should not leave Umroi airport at any cost. We will, our volunteers, our members will be present here along with the people of the Khasi and Jait Hills. We will be giving a press statement calling everyone to gather at Umroi airport tomorrow at 12 p.m. And at the same time, we also urge the state government through the district administration, both of Bynriew district as well as the East Khasi district. We have not seen any statement given by them whether they have given any permission or not to these people to hold that rally tomorrow. If they have not given any statement, we urge them. We demand that a statement should come forth from both the district commissioner that the rally proposed to be held by this group should be banned in Shillong city, as well as they should not be allowed to enter the local jurisdiction of Bynriew and the East Khasi district. And we find it very funny to see that the statement of the Chief Minister yesterday or day before yesterday, where he said that the power lies with the Deputy Commissioner in order to give permission or not. We understand actually the Chief Minister is supposed to be the executive head of the state. He is supposed to look after the peace and harmony of the state, but him washing his hands off and putting the blame in the DC is something that is not acceptable, and I think he He has seen various organizations has condemned his statement, but at the same time, we also want to make our stand very clear that if these people are allowed to enter Shillong tomorrow, if any law and order problem arises, the responsibility will be on the district administration as well as the chief minister and his council of ministers. We will not be held responsible, and we have made a stand very clear that these people will not be allowed to enter Shillong at any cost. At any cost means at any cost. If anything happen on the way, or if anything happen on the place where they are holding a rally, the responsibility will be of the district administration and the government of Meghalaya.
Wan Kowi kesur kalong ba kamdei ka ba niwan ban namta juno harai kadai hi namta joki pajba jong kari khasibi ki sini kaba hakaba kidon kita ki bor ban nabar lo persyan ban muslia wat habai dei bat kar kum im tar kambam kum di jingiru namar ngi hi nadu kemen berim musyam ladon hi kano kata ka restriction lane ka jingkhang ba ngi dei numbam yota ngi numbam yota ngi dei ban mane yota bat ngi mane ta wahadu menta meneru hakabade bat ya kano kenyam hakaliang jong hari kasih jungi hi nyai lai lut bat ngim syam late lakum hiru yanoi noru na kaliang jungi hi kumbang akran mesmat ba ke siu hi ka yang namta jong upat ke Bynriew trap kamdei bang yang tang namta ya yalade nane ya ke sistem ring yang hi namta jong upat ke Bynriew trap bat kedai klumlang ya barot bat kene kubor kapeni ya lagade sabar jong ke jalan hapok ke jalan ba ke si kenyang bat kan yai lele hi ban penek pensa ke kata ban berim ulah hikai bat laptin tingi ban im banyak yang bat kalau renyang ke sini Bynriew bagi danah mempo dikasih ngilong kum le bangilong ru
jadi nongwan sik nyam bawan bertempera bawan penjat jaga imlang salang jaga imlang salang bagi habis kepada buat Meghalaya dia kumtahi tambah kat bang idangnya keren hi mentara sini ngi pernah ba kimnya wan syu mentara sini dia antahi ngilai keren bagi district magistrate bagi keluargaan tu bana kaliang juki kila ai ke assurance ba nakaliang jong cabinet ru kila ayo kata ko order ba pindai ban ai ban lan ini gi Bynriew shit nyam ani po airport Umroi Meghalaya kinum ai ban lan de nakaliang jong ki ru ki ong ba lasai ladaki wan ru nakaliang jong ka an kin khang yaki bat kin khang yaki bat kinum ai lat kin tinku ne kin ya penduk yaki local population de kata ka de ka assurance nakaliang jong ka authority Henry kum nakaliang jungi ru min wan bait lasai bat min pen I kata ke Jing sha bat kabor jungi ki khasi ki point ikon kamai Meghalaya ni ngin wan lasai bat ngin wan ni ban pen I kata ke Jing persya bat ban khang lat ikini ki rew shit nyam bawan man khang e ka bam ka di ka nyam ka ruti ka store jungi ki khasi ki khara ki kon jong ka bat Meghalaya tamta
yang tinggi ada halo bang Iwan di sembilan lang buat ngilang concern nak betaka luan order jong kenika airport ang ni ka bahap ko jurisdiction jong ka Umroi Pulom gitu tak ketahi ka bana kalian juga ko mengolam senong dan bertimpang kan ko isu dikumno senong aku ini pada kenika isu lang bagi ko social media ngi bakal along ke isu ko Bahkhlieh ha ka jela not is ini berkowe jadi ka bana kalian jungi kumkin lang senong din mar barok nam ngi tingi di bam dok mesti di bandong hi pan benar baka tak mesti di ka tingi gitu ki nimla pan pediang namar ba kumno ya ubri on khana ka mesti ubri to khana ubri di nak lang tingi persya ka dia berta ka jing sembu gitu ki bat ya ke bana du entai kulong kuma ke lebuk baka mesti lele ka dok mesti le ka dok mesti ka batai bahai ka pat ka ni ku kumkin lam senong ya ka bi ke ni sembu persya bat ngi air di kersan di senggalang namar bagi wan ban muslia ye ke bagilong sama suwa kila bubek haka bidi baka bam gadi ka kum gajai berfasi nilong hadu menta hadu muswa hadu menta kum nong ilang ka bangadon batun pau teng jungki ka pon nakaliang jini kum jino senong ui ba kanik isu la dan nakaliang jong sarkar kam simkhia bante la kam ui bagi ni samla gitu ni kani kading kanang pur na goi sing goi pat kani ka bakum kino snong ki bapet ya dasuk kasain ha dor basnong gidungi ha didom disan gidungi ka bidon bak ai ka misi saka government lan sarkar kalong ba kim simkhia ha di pagi isu kanang kani kading kanom kelang sigui pat ki saka iya kat badang don kapor kim sloha ba simkhia kanang bakinumi ki jingja ki bakta itu untuk tanya apa kani jalan